Hi guys, welcome back to another training video, and today we will be discussing about the chat functionality of the platform. So first thing, after logging in, we can go to chats. Then we can start a conversation by clicking this one. Uh, like example, you want to chat Zach Bravo, you can chat him and like test. So like, how are the financials going? So uh, that is how you private message your teammate. And if you also wanted to chat your client, you can do so. For example, Juan Santos of ABC Corporation, you can click that one. So, hello Juan, just wanted to confirm if you have received my uh like my email, um, or you can also create a group chat here. For example, uh DC team of Cape Padayon, and uh people who are working there are Carla, for example, Stephanie, and Andrew. So we can create that conversation, and we can rename this group chat as Cape Padayon uh, team. So you can see here, hello guys, this is a test message asking, uh, this is test message, just wanted to uh, catch up on Monday if possible, you guys have free time. So something like that. So also client and internal. So for internal, this one Invictus Audit. So we can create as well for our internal team. For example, Jez, you want Andrew, you want like JRT. So create that, and this will be named like, for example, Board of Directors. So I will ask, for example, when are we conducting our uh, year-end meeting? So there you go. So for the client, uh, if the client is involved in the conversation, they will receive their message in on their mobile phone, and also since we have newly launched our web for the clients, they can also receive their message there. So that is it. Uh, Currently, we don't have uh, functionality to delete a team member here in the group chat, but that is part of the plan. Uh, Maybe on the next integration. So that is it. If you have any other question relating to this training video, feel free to email us at support@ollie.com.ph, and uh, yeah, that's it. Hope to see you guys in another training video. Bye bye.